What is up, guys? Malama here with another online money hooks video, creating your freedom, wealth and lifestyle through your online business. So welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about some of the best and highest paying affiliate programs that you guys can join today in 2020 to make you some really good money. So it's not just 2020, even beyond, these programs are there. Depending on the time you're seeing this video, you'll probably be able to check these resources out, and you'd be able to join the affiliate programs and get paid some really good money. So what kind of money are we talking about here? Well, we're talking about anywhere between $100 to $1,000 plus for every sale that you bring in. These are some really cool affiliate programs, and the products behind these affiliate programs are really helpful products that somebody can be passionate about. Even if you're going out and promoting these products, you're guaranteed these are really good products that would help people out there in the internet marketing space and in any other platform online. So we're going to be looking at some of the really good affiliate programs that you guys can go ahead and implement. And the reason why I'm emphasizing high ticket affiliate products and programs is because you easily earn a great income and can easily hit your monthly target. So let's say your monthly target is $1,000. If you go ahead and promote a product that pays you like $700 to $800, all you need is just 2 sales and you're good to go. You've hit your monthly target. This is why I'm highly emphasizing the high ticket items, and it takes almost the same amount of effort to promote a $10 or $30 product as it takes to promote $1,000 product commission. So why not go for $1,000 commission product? So let's get right into it. The first place that we're going to go to is ClickFunnels and their affiliate programs and the products that they are offering that have high ticket commissions. So when we come over here to ClickFunnels, they've got like the 14-day trial, then they've got the Win Dream Car Challenge where you're getting $500 every month. That's high ticket. And they've got Funnel Builder Secrets, which is a funnel building software backed with some trainings with traffic and all that other good stuff that you guys can use to implement. So with this program, you can earn between $700 to $1,000. You can see, so it is almost like $800 to $1,200 for every sale that you bring in. So these are the kind of products that you want to go after, because these are the products that help normal businesses run efficiently and sustainably. So you can go ahead and promote these products to an entrepreneur, solopreneur, online entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, just any other digital marketers. Another one that's slightly on the lower end is the $100 commission called the 30 days one funnel away challenge. So what this does, every person that signs up under you get $100 commission for every sale that you make. And if you're promoting it using the Network Marketing Secrets book, you can even go as far as $174 if they get the upsells and the cross sales in the back end of the funnels. They've got books, but books don't really pay much. So another thing that we have is Funnel Scripts, which pays $797 for every sale, and you've got Network Marketing Secrets with the OFA, and it pays you $174 for every sale that you bring in. And if that person ends up purchasing upsells on the back end, then another place that I'm really targeting to, because I'm only looking at 2 places for now. One is ClickFunnels, the other one is ClickBank, because it's very easy for most anyone to sign up on these platforms and start promoting this product right from the get-go. Now, I'm not going to cover traffic and how to structure your affiliate offers in this video, but that will be a video for the next show and the next topic. So if you're enjoying and if you really found this video really helpful, please leave a thumbs up, click that subscribe button and share this to your friends and colleagues that you feel might really gain from this video. So thanks very much for watching, and we continue. Sorry about that, I get mumbo jumbo at times, but I'm hoping I'm getting the message across to you guys and you're following through. If you're up to the point of this video, thanks very much, really appreciate for you sticking around. Then the other affiliate program that I'm looking at is John Cristani's auto webinar funnel. This is a super affiliate system, so it converts on code traffic and you earn 50% on $997. So you get $540 every sale that you bring in. So here in ClickBank, there is a lot of products that you can promote. The list is endless. So if I go ahead and go back, you see some products that are actually even way more expensive than these $500 products. There are others that are, if we go into business and electronic business and e-marketing, then go by average dollar per sale. So high to low, average dollar per sale. So yep, as you can see, Magic Submitter by Alexander Krolik. So this product pays you 1,076 $1,761 for every sale that you bring in. This one pays you $900, which is almost just equivalent to $1,000. These guys pay you $100, $800, $829, $800. So these are the kind of products that you really want to be going for. And if you take a look at some of these, the graphic is not that good, but you can give it a try. For them to be selling it at this product, there must be some really golden nuggets inside these trainings and these products. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you like this video, and you share it to your friends and family that might benefit from this video. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.